Hey, what's up, guys? This is Microsoft Engineer Abram Khalid, and in today's we'll make a program in Python in which the number will be continued in order or the text will repeat as much as you want. So I will be using the help of while loop to perform a task. So watch till end so that you cannot miss anything. So let's check it out. So over here, for example, I will assign the value to I like I is equals to 0. Now I will be using the while loop. I will be smaller than 20. Now I'll be using print bracket I. So I haven't used inverted commas. Why? Because I am making a number to continue in order, not to making the text repeating. If I want to make the text repeat, I will be using inverted commas. But if I want to make the number continue in order, I will not use inverted commas. So after that, the most important step is to write this I plus or equals to 1. And that's it. Now I will press shift plus enter so that I can run and debug the code. So you can see that it starts from 0 and ends till 19. Why? Because why is n on 19? So in the above I said that the I will be smaller than 20. So 19 is smaller than 20, but why stop on 19? Because 20 above 19 is 20 and 20 is not smaller than 20, else 20 is equals to 20. That's the point. So that's why it stops on 19. So the next step is to make the text repeat. In the above, I just continue the number in order, but on next step, I want to make the text repeat. So I will just copy this code which I have written it above, and then I will paste over here. But I will make changes in it. Like I'll be adding inverted commas and write like hello guys, and yeah, only one changes I made it. So now again I will press shift plus enter. So you can see it makes the text repeat. So this is how you can make a program in Python that can repeat the text or continue the number in order. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel, Microsoft Engineer Ibrahim Khalid. See you later. Take care.